Of course, that's a huge controversy about, well, Arvind Kejriwal of Team Anna, first perhaps forgetting to vote, a scheduling problem, but when reminded by journalists heading back to vote. Politicians were quick to jump on this, especially after Arvind Kejriwal's remarks on the weekend, where he said many politicians were rapists and murderers.
इस संसद के अंदर बलात्कारी बैठे हैं, इस संसद के अंदर हत्यारे बैठे हैं, इस संसद के अंदर लुटेरे बैठे हैं.
Days after he lashed out at elected representatives, Team Anna member Arvind Kejriwal missed voting in the Uttar Pradesh elections. Kejriwal was heading for the airport to catch a flight to Goa for a voter awareness campaign when he got a call from reporters asking wasn't he casting his vote. After a few more calls, Kejriwal turned back and went straight to his polling station in Ghaziabad, only to discover that he was not in the voters list.
आज सुबह जब मैं निकल रहा था उस टाइम भी काफी गिल्टी फील हो रहा था और एयरपोर्ट पहुंच के मैंने ऑर्गेनाइजर्स के साथ बात की और उन्होंने 2 प्रोग्राम्स फिर पोस्टपोन करने के लिए वो तैयार हो गए, तो मैं वापस आया हूँ वोट डालने.
तो अब आप अगर वोट नहीं डाल पा रहे हैं तो आपको लगता है
ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है.
Somehow those who couldn't check it, probably they faced the problem. After the elections, we'll see to it that during the process of continuous updation, all the names are updated.
But Congress leader Digvijay Singh shot back with this tweet. I quote, "Great protectors of probity in public life. Anna doesn't go to vote. Kejriwal doesn't care to see whether he's registered as a voter. Obviously, Team Anna doesn't practice what it preaches." When Pune voted, Anna was in Bangalore for treatment, even though he spoke forcefully on the voters' right to reject.
किसी को वोट देने न देने का अधिकार है, लेकिन हाँ, लोकतंत्र में वोट देना एक जागरूक नागरिक का काफी महत्वपूर्ण कर्तव्य है.
He made the headlines, but Kejriwal was not the only one to miss his vote. Many other voters were turned back disappointed in Noida.
कार्ड तक मेरे घर पहुंचा नहीं आज तक 3 साल में, और इस चिट पर सारी चीजें इन्फॉर्मेशन तो ठीक है, लेकिन मेरे जगह पर यहाँ मिसेज का फोटो चिपका रखा है.
उस वोट में भी गई हूँ, अंदर घुस गई हूँ, अंदर से मेरे को बाहर निकाल दिया है कि दोबारा पर्ची बनवा के लाइए. दोबारा आई हूँ, मैडम ने कहा वहाँ जाइए, वहाँ जाने के बाद फिर मैं यहाँ पे गई हूँ अंदर, यहाँ पे भी मेरे को वोट न डाली जाएगी. मेरा हक है, मेरे को छीना क्यों न जा रहा है.
But Kejriwal is being criticized for not checking earlier and going to the polling station at the 11th hour. With Anand Zanane in Lucknow, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.
So the small ironies of Indian democracy. First, he forgets about voting as he's heading off to campaign for another state election. When he's called back to vote, well, his name's not on the voters list, so he can't vote at all. But let's look at the larger issue of double standards. And of course, the rhetoric has been raised with the statements made by Mr. Kejriwal over the weekend. Joining me tonight, Renuka Chaudhary of the Congress, Tarun Vijay of the BJP, and Abhinandan Sekhri of Team Anna. So left, right, centre, right here. But Renuka Chaudhary, over to you. Perhaps the issue of Arvind Kejriwal voting or not voting is much ado over nothing. But the larger issue perhaps is about the statements he made about politicians. I think most would agree calling a majority of them rapists and murderers is an extreme overreaction. And the irony being that if you think that this is the problem with the system, what are you actually doing to clean it up? What's your stand on that?
Sonia, you know, this man unfortunately seems to be a very unhappy person. He's very venomous and he has spoken absolutely irresponsibly, slanderous and libelous words that he has utilized. It's not just about a political class, but for any decent citizen, and if he considers himself decent, that is, he should have conducted himself with a lot more dignity and responsibility. And after speaking like that and talking about great electoral reforms, then you have to question his own integrity. Is this man really committed, or is he seeking his 2 minutes in the sun with publicity and he just wants media focus on himself as this great patron of virtue? And he seems to be having the patent on honesty and given his income tax return fiasco and all of these. So it is very farcical.
The NDTV News app had redefined the entire genre. Now another market beater. It's already hit #1.
NDTV Profit, India's #1 finance app. Download free at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Live stream of NDTV Profit, market news and your easy to manage portfolio. Download now ndtvprofit.com/apps.